So, Your Excellency, good evening, and congratulations for the successful launch of the campaign, and of course the manifesto launch today.
Yes.
What the successful launch of the campaign?
Why what?
Where next after the successful launch of this campaign? And
well,
manifesto?
we'll be meeting this week. The Central Committee will be meeting, and we'll decide who's going to go where. The country is very big. We have only 41 days now, as you know, left. So I think we have to divide responsibility. But we'll be campaigning now. I mean, we've been campaigning since August last year anyway. But we'll be campaigning now. But we're meeting this week, and then we'll see. You'll find out.
Your partner here, Enoch Jihana,
yes,
did say that go to Page House, rest and eat fish. Who campaign? Are you taking that advice?
That's very nice. He's my son, you know, because his father was one of my closest friends. So he's being a son, wants to protect his father, so he doesn't want me to campaign too much. That's very nice of him.
Kodi ndinokonzeka kuchita campaign. Tamva kuchokera kwa Enoch Jihana kuti akakhaleni pansi muzikadya nsomba. Mukhala mukudya nsomba kucha utaka kumene kukapena mukhale mukuyenda nsanje tuchitepa.
Ana titenda madira wonse munganthazo timachitira kwatigawana madira osiyana koma ngati afuna kuti ndidya nsomba mumuza ali kuti andipase box la nsomba kuti they are his. You have to give me a box of nsomba since you promised.
Yes, Your Excellency. It's coming.
Now, with 41 days left,
yeah.
How confident are you? The manifesto akuoneka ngati kuti mwina over ambitious komanso ndalama zokutchulidwa menemo ndi ndalama zomwe MRA matolera zitheke mukunena kuti locally generated resources according to the Collins Magalasi-led manifesto team.
I think we can manage, as you say. You see, some of the money goes to the central government. It's a question of shifting. If you look at the numbers, it's smaller than what we spend at the national level. It's a question of shifting money. For example, this last budget, they had 79 billion just for State House alone. 79 billion, 1 month. Now, that money can be shifted to the rural areas, to the villages and so forth. We'll find money. I don't think it's over ambitious. I think it's always to aim high. The sky is the limit, as my brother used to say. Aim high, and we're determined to build this country, and to build it, we must be ambitious. We're going to be ambitious, therefore we're going to aim high.
Your Excellency, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Tell me your name again.
Alex Banda from Zambia.
Oh, yes, yes. Nice to see you again.
Thank you so much. That's Professor Peter Mutharika, President of the Democratic Progressive Party, DPP.